Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can sort out the problem of reversing cameras. We have this reversing camera here, carrier view camera, but I will tell you the problem. When you switch on your car but not starting your car, and then you put your car into reverse gear, you see the camera works fine, there's no problem. It shows everything into the reversing gear. Now let's have a look. If we start our car, what's going to happen to the screen? So here is the solution. It's just to get yourself 12 volt 4-pin relay for small cars. Now we've got here, I've put red, this is number 30. Number 30, this goes to the 12 volt, for example cigarette lighter, positive, or ignition, or anything which is live. And we've got number 87. 87, it is the device like your reverse camera plus. And we've got number 85. 85 goes to ground. You can use cigarette lighter ground or any bolt in your car. And we've got number 86. 86, this goes to your reverse light where you tap in. If you've got reverse light, you know which is the reverse light, you tap in and then you connect with this number 86. So this is the solution. Now let's start our car and see if everything is okay now. Right, we're gonna put it in reverse, and we can see that our monitor is working fine. There's no issue again of switching off. So one more time, this is our diagram. 30 goes to the battery, 85 goes to ground including the yellow from the camera, 86 goes to reverse light, and 87 it goes to plus or red from your camera. So thank you for watching, and if you feel like this video help, please subscribe.